I picked up the Anker SoundCore 2 portable speaker as a simple everyday Bluetooth audio solution, and I've been pretty pleased with it overall. The design is compact enough so I don't mind tossing it in a bag for day trips, and it feels solidly built for something this size. What stands out most for me is the battery life. I've easily gotten long listening sessions well into the evening without worrying about charging, which makes it nice for casual outdoor use or long work days. The sound is better than I expected from a speaker this small. There's a noticeable bass boost, and the stereo output doesn't distort at moderate volume levels, so it's enjoyable for your podcast playlists or ambient sound while chilling. I've read several tech sources that also highlight its respectable sound quality and waterproof build as big pluses for the price range. Pairing this thing is straightforward with Bluetooth, and stability has been solid in my experience. The water resistance gives me confidence to use it around the house or outside without worry. That said, if I were to chase a truly high-fidelity audio or massive volume for parties, this isn't that speaker. But for what it is, a reliable, portable Bluetooth speaker that just works, I think it earns its spot as a go-to everyday gadget. Recommend.
Power off. Power on. Okay, this is some music without Bluetooth connected. And this is some AI-generated music, copyright free.